Hello students, how are you? Hope you are good and safe. Class prep, subject numbers, and the topic is length. Now first, let's see the definition of length. The definition of length is the measurement of something from end to end is called length to that thing. Now, as you all know that you can see that this is the picture of the length measurement. These are the three scales, and also there are three pencils here. And these rulers are longer than these pencils, these three pencils, and the pencils are shorter than these three scales. The first pencil length is about 9 unit. The first pencil length about 9 unit, and the second pencil length is about 8 unit, and the last one is 6. Last pencil length is about 6 unit. So these are the lengths that we measure with scales, these three scales. This is your first activity. Draw the pencil and scale on your notebook and measure the length of pencil. You have to measure the length of pencil and write down the unit of that pencil with the scale. And this is your second activity. Find the length of the following pencil. This is on page number 8. Thank you. God bless you.